Hello, my name is Adam and I'm part of Google team in Globema, a Google Cloud Premier partner. Welcome. This is another video from our Google Maps platform tutorial. In this video, we are going to dedicate our time to the last one of Google Maps platform 3 core products, Places. Plus, we will show you which API services are included in this product. As we already indicated in previous episodes, world is instantly changing and new address points are being created every day. These may be restaurants, block of flats, banks or post offices. To be able to navigate yourself through the mess of all addresses globally, you need to have reliable, up-to-date and precise database of places. Places API offers that and even more. With Places, you can provide users information on location, addresses, ratings, reviews, or contact information. A community of 60 million local guides makes more than 20 million contributions per day and adds more than 700,000 new places to Google Maps every month. So you can count on accurate, reliable, and up-to-date information. Use details over 150 million places and points of interest to help users find you, attract new customers with reviews, and even help detect a fraud. Return the precise location of a device based on a Wi-Fi or cell towers, identify a place based on a real-time signals like time of the day or user location, and return a time zone for any location. Did you know you can automatically suggest addresses as users type in forms on your website or in application? Places make it easier for users to enter correct billing and shipping information by automatically suggesting addresses as they type, using autocomplete feature of Places API. Autocomplete automatically returns location suggestions as users type, and once users select this address, it autofills the remaining fields. Autocomplete benefits include fewer user mistakes due to fewer keystrokes, higher address accuracy, and a faster checkout experience. We already uploaded the autocomplete video. Just go and check how much time can your customer save if you implement autocomplete feature. You can find the link in the description. Let's summarize it. With APIs for Places, businesses can help users discover the world with the rich location data for over 100 million places and find specific places using phone numbers, addresses, and real-time signals. Places API gives you up-to-date information about millions of locations using HTTP requests. With Time Zone API, you get the time zone for a specific GPS coordinate. Geocoding API is converting addresses to GPS coordinates or vice versa. The Places library, included in Maps JavaScript API service, adds rich details for millions of places to your website. It provides autocomplete results for user queries or converts between addresses and GPS coordinates. Geolocation API returns the location of a device without relying on GPS, using location data from cell towers or Wi-Fi nodes. Places SDK for Android or iOS enables you to use all the benefits of Places library in your Android or iOS applications. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Google Maps platform video tutorial, and I believe you gained some interesting information. I'm looking forward to speak to you in the next video. In case of any questions, you can comment on the video or leave us a message through our website. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe button to stay connected with next topics and Globema. Thank you and have a nice day.